Alright, so we're here at the Pro Sport Chiropractic Seminar. I'm here with my buddy, Dr. Josh LeBlanc, and we've been friends since chiropractic college. And I'm going to adjust him, and then he's going to adjust me. So, long flight, hotel bed, it's killing us. So, here we go. We're coming closer for this part. Alright, take a deep breath in and out. Good. One more. That was good. I don't have my good microphone with me, so bear with all the other volume. Not hearing everything you want to hear. Gonna get this combo here now. Right there. Here we go. Nice and easy here. That was good. Alright, flip on your back. Tight right there on the right side. I'm loosening that up a little bit. Say what? This table feels like... You wear tennis shoes at all? Alright, here we go. You're a fashion girl? That was good. Now it's my turn, Dr. Josh LeBlanc. Let's see if I remember how to do this. It's gonna get me. There we go. No, but I'm saying that. So your foot. I'm a little lower right there. Leave face up for me. I'm gonna do. Size tighter. Stretch out. I'm actually get this direct one more. Does that feel okay in the shoulders? Yes, sir. It's been a few years since I've adjusted. I got to make sure nothing new's going on. We did. Oh, that was awesome. Just breathe in here and breathe out. All right, Doc. Feeling like a new man now. This is my other best friend. Came along as a guest at his first chiropractic seminar, mainly for the free treatment. Is that okay in your shoulders? What comes low? Breathe in deep. Good. Want you to go back down? Any pain there? I'm gonna come up a little higher. Get that. Are you fixing the other way? No, if I won't drop you, I got you. It's already moving all over the place. Come up.